Welcome back to EJ Bits. This is the review of the HiFuture HiTime Smartwatch. So, quick specs: IP68 Waterproof. You have a workout mode. You have 10 days of battery. You have replaceable straps, pedometer, heart rate monitoring, and you have a crown Alps rotating button. So let's unbox the device quickly. So, quick specs: this device has 8 sports modes, and it has blood oxygen and blood pressure, sleeping, tracking, and also heart rate monitoring continuously. Every 1 hour or every 30 minutes, it will detect those stats. And again, you have a crown rotating button. It's a multifunction button. So your watch has an LTPS HD LCD display, so LTPS display, and 1.79 inch is your screen size, and 368 by 448 pixels. So the link of the product is in the description. And again, these are some of the quick functions. You have messages, notifications, again your heart rate monitoring, blood pressure, and blood oxygen, which are accurate. I'm not sure about the blood oxygen, but the rest of the other features are accurate. So to turn on the device, just long press your multifunction button, and you'll hear a vibrate, and there you go, HiFuture, and there you go, the watch works out of the box. And raise to wake function is also here. Dial, it's very similar to your Apple dial, and again, this is how it looks like. This is your dual UI interface. If you swipe up, there's your notification panel. You can have quick adjustments like your brightness. And you also have your find your device. You also have a do not disturb mode, easily accessible. You have a shutdown button. You have a flashlight, which is just a white screen. And you have your about. So MAC address if you need that, and all other important information about the watch. So using the knob, you can change the watch face of the device. All green colors in this watch is portrayed as black, so you will see the real colors later. And the screen is curved, and it has a 96% screen to body ratio according to their own website. And again, the button, it has a red color to it. There you go. So it can control your dual UI interface. This is your second UI. And you can swipe up or down. And this is your first UI. It's made out of aluminum. The body is made out of aluminum. So it's nice and smooth. It's premium. And take note again, refresh rate. The video is uploaded in 60 FPS, and it seems like the screen is only capable of producing 15 Hz. No problem. It's a nice watch still, even though it has only 15 Hz. So you have your heart rate feature, you have your SpO2, which is your blood oxygen saturation feature. BP, very important. So, blood oxygen, the reason why I'm looking for smartwatches that have blood oxygen, it's really important, especially this time of pandemic. If you ever have a symptom of the virus, then your body will have a harder time gaining oxygen or harder time breathing. That means that your blood saturation will be lower than your average 96 to 100%. So this is definitely a non-medical grade watch, but it's nice to have your quick stats of blood oxygen. And you have your 8 workout modes. You have your running, cycling, basketball, yoga. You have your treadmill, skipping rope, and the last feature is your book feature, or you have your sports data. And the music function, really good. It also has the volume and the play, pause, next, and previous. So lots of built-in features for the app. This is your find your device. And if you scan this code, you will be redirected to your Play Store to download the OnWear app for this device. And to change your watch face, you can always long press the watch face itself or use the knob. And here is your screen time when you press the button to turn it on. It's 9 seconds of screen on time until it turns off. And your turn wrist rate, if you use the wrist view function, it will only show for 2 seconds. That's the default. And the vibration 2 to 3 times. This is for your alarms and other vibrating features. And again, IP68 waterproof. I use this watch in the shower, washing my hands, and sleeping. So no problem with that. 10 days of battery life. According to my experience, it's a little bit more than 10 days because I rely on the continuous heart rate and heart functions. So the usability of the device is very nice. It's really sleek. The design is really modern. It looks like an Apple Watch, but it doesn't have the power button on the right side. But it definitely is a very useful device. 24-hour monitoring, again, ultra low power consumption work, and definitely usable. So here I'm testing the heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure. It can accurately monitor according to my experiences, and I've tested a BP machine to verify the accuracy of the results, and I would say it's a ±5 error rating. So not bad. But it's still not medical grade. I wouldn't recommend that you rely on any smartwatch unless it's medical grade. But this is your app OnWear. 4.2 or 4.7 stars on Play Store. Really good rating for an app. And I do agree. It's 4.2. The app, it's really usable. It's really nice. It has all of the features you need. The tracking features for all of your blood needs, it's all there. All of your sports data, all of your data history, and all of those things. So press searching and you can find your device. Just press on connect. A really fast connection. It's not stated if it's Bluetooth 5.0, but I would assume it's Bluetooth 5.0. It has a 190 milliamp battery, and if you see that icon, it means it's connected. So you have a 3-axis G sensor for your sleeping, and these are just the quick settings. I do recommend that you copy these settings. These are the apps that are available for notification. Take note, it doesn't come with Viber or Messenger, so it only relies on Facebook. If you have Messenger notifications, it won't show, unfortunately. It only will show Facebook notifications. So your strap size is 42 to 44 millimeters. No problem. And here are some more features. You can definitely adjust the time depending on how you would want your watch to respond to different activities. So there you have it. Next, let's proceed to the watch face segment of this video. So many people were asking about the watch face and the dial app store. This is it. You have your different watch faces, and there you go. So another watch face, you have Mickey Mouse. That's an option. Not only Mickey Mouse, you also have different options for different watch faces located all in the app. So hopefully they update the app and add more watch faces. It depends on the watch, what watch faces will be included in the package. So this one, another sleek and very nice and simple modern design. The watch faces of this are reminiscent of an Apple Watch again. That's the design and the look they're going for, and I don't see any problem with that. It's really good. It's really fast, and I really do recommend. Of course, when it comes to your sleep monitor, which is one of the primary reasons I buy and use a smartwatch. And I would rely on this one. And I would say that if you're on a budget, this will beat your Apple Watch SE. And this watch actually beats all of my other watches that I've reviewed on this channel. So this one is your app after some, data collection and after some sleeping. We can see that here is your data for blood oxygen. You can see all of the different measurements on the app, located on the app, and as you can see, it's all there. 99%, 98%. You can see all of your, just scroll down, scroll up, scroll down, and you'll find the time when you need your your readings. So next one is your blood pressure. As you can see, systolic, diastolic. So very simple. You know about those things. Just scroll down to find the time you need your reading. So HiFuture official store is on LazMall, and it has 97% positive seller ratings and a really good track record in terms of selling products. This is your sleeping. It gives you quick tips regarding your sleep quality. So it says there that my sleep is normal, but I slept late. Something like that. So this is your heart rate. Again, you see the continuous heart rate monitoring. It's really good, and it's the intervals are very nice, and they claim that it's low power. So yes, I will now rate this product in terms of durability, design, and the overall feel and quality. I will give this product a 9. Definitely also for the for the features and the app, I will also give it a 9. When it comes to the accuracy of the data gathering, I will give it a 9 also. And for the overall experience and the overall rating, I will give it a 9.5. So the highest rating I've given to any product. I'm really happy about this product, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.